Let's have a quick look on problem management, also one of the most important practices. And it is in close conjunction with incident management. So it really doesn't make sense to have only incident management or only problem management in place. For best results, you should have implemented both. So the purpose is to reduce the likelihood of recurring incidents by identifying root causes and eliminating those. Okay, it's all about root causes. Incident management has a focus on fast solutions, right? We want to get it back on track. The derailed business train, we put it back on track as soon as possible. While problem management has a purpose of making sure that issues which are happening over and over again are not happening over and over again. So we try to find the originating root cause of those incidents and we eliminate that root cause by any means necessary to make sure that that stuff never happens again. So, by definition, a problem is the unknown cause of one or more incidents. Important, please remember, one or more incidents, okay? Even one incident can result in the creation of a problem ticket if we don't know what is causing it. But usually it's like major incidents or priority one incidents where we have a lot of affected people when we open problem tickets. And we can talk about known errors. Known errors are problems where the root cause has been found, because it is only a problem as long as the root cause is unknown, right? By definition, you can see it on a slide. So if we know, we need to call it differently, and the name is known error. Okay, so it's a problem with a known root cause, but we don't have a solution yet. Then we have workarounds. They are kind of alternate solutions, reducing the impact of problems. They are not the optimum solution, but at least something we can do until we have a permanent solution available, because sometimes that can take a very long time. Again, remember, in problem management, we don't really have that kind of time pressure that we have in incident management. So watch out for that, okay? So workarounds it's a very good thing to have workarounds available for our customers to minimize the impact as far as possible. In the problem management practice in ITIL version 4, we have 3 phases, and I like you to remember those because they also might be exam relevant. It starts with problem identification. We want to make sure that we create a problem ticket, we prioritize it, we categorize it, and we maybe assign it to the hopefully right team. Then comes problem control. In that phase, the teams, because it's actually a joint effort usually between different teams, try to identify what the issue is. They start analyzing it. They try to find the root cause, and they try to provide a workaround for that thing. Then at some point, hopefully soon, these teams will have identified the root cause, and at that point, we jump into our next phase, which we call error control. In error control, we do different things, and one of them is we initiate change tickets or requests for changes if necessary, because very often the resolution of a problem involves changing something in the infrastructure or in our applications or the code or in our configurations. And for that to have, we need to have a controlled practice or process in place, and that's the change enablement practice in this case.